Once upon a time, James Vanderbeek was a household name. Dawson's Creek, Varsity Blues. Remember those? Vanderbeek had a career that defined an era. Today, he's a father of 6, battling stage 3 colorectal cancer, and auctioning off pieces of his own legacy to pay for cancer treatments. This isn't celebrity gossip, it's a healthcare story. Because when someone with wealth, fame, and resources has to sell the artifacts of their success to stay alive, what chance does the average American have? Vanderbeek partnered with Propstone to auction off wardrobe, memorabilia, and props. Everything from his character's famous flannel shirt to the Varsity Blues cleats. Vanderbeek says, "I've been storing these treasures for years. With all the recent twists and turns, it's clear that the time is now." What he's really saying is when cancer strikes, even nostalgia becomes collateral damage. At TPAP, we talk a lot about accountability, about how America's healthcare system has turned patients into customers and illness into profit. James Vanderbeek's story isn't rare, it's just visible. Because behind every famous face are millions of unseen Americans choosing between their chemotherapy and their mortgage, between staying alive and just staying above water. This is what happens when Big Pharma, insurance companies, and healthcare lobbyists set the price of survival. The system just doesn't bankrupt people, it breaks their dignity. If a man who was all over our TV screens at one point can't afford to fight for his life without selling the symbols of his past, it's proof that fame is not immunity from medical debt. At TPAP, we believe medicine should heal people, not bankrupt them. James Vanderbeek's courage reminds us of what's at stake and what must change. Because nobody should have to auction their life just to save it.